That's good. That's spicy.
Too much spicy.
The mama eating.
Too dry. Too much. It's more than last time. But this one is.
Those medical pills are push me over.
Hello guys, this is Esther Onyinye Chukumba and welcome back to our channel Umba Angel Story. Are you ready for our Exploring Malaysia episode 7? Wait a minute. Have you subscribed to our channel? Please do me a favor and click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Now, still on our trip to Malaysia, we went to KK, which is a Malaysian convenience store. And we tried to see what's different from Malaysian KK and Korean CU, 7-Eleven, and GS25 convenience stores in Korean. There's this one that's Korean, but there's only chocolate. This is the strawberry chocolate with no sprinkles, but the Korean there's sprinkles.
There's sprinkles in Korea.
Yeah. But this is
But you see the same sort of thing in Korea?
yes. In this stick we can put the
Chocolate. You only they have chocolate.
yeah, and then we can eat that. It's yummy. It's kind of just like so specific.
Let's look around.
There's no in the Korean there is pepperu, but there's no pepperu where there's sticker in it. Yeah.
This time it's like a horse.
In here there's a panda. What's a panda? Oops, I made a mistake. These are Mentos. Come on, can you buy me this one? There's no what is your character? If that's to you, there's to me.
This is biscuit. Biscuit, stick,
Ooh.
choco, but the rainbow.
Yeah, Mom, can you do this one? Can you buy this one?
What's that?
Can you buy this you know, one? This is inside the chocolate here, but inside here there's some kind of toy, small toy that you can make this present. Please. I like this one. We don't eat it a lot, right, Tony? Yeah, what? What's that?
Okay, keep on.
Yes. Oh my gosh, this is giant. I think I saw this one in Korea. This one is giant.
Yeah, that's a lot.
There's another. Hey, why this is under?
This one.
Eh,
Here, peanut.
Peanut.
This is peanut.
We can eat
Not the peanut butter. This is just peanut. But it's not.
Pagoda.
I think this is the name of the company name.
I know about the pagoda.
Oh, really? Oh, I don't know. But we don't say peanut like this. It looks like it's a kind of snack, but in Korea we don't sell like this one. So this is the first time for me to see like
There's
this.
another peanut. What's the other one? But the same peanut.
Same peanut?
Inside
smaller.
inside peanut also.
Yeah, same
bear.
peanut, but like different company.
And smaller. And there's a bear joy.
They have lots of peanuts here. It's not only one or two. Here, look here. Yeah.
This one says broad bean. This one is broad bean.
Which one?
Don't you see broad beans?
I don't know that one. Bro, what is broad beans? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. They really love this kind of nut, peanuts and beans. This is KK. In Korea, we don't see KK because it's a Malaysian brand, but in Korea, we can see lots of convenience stores. CU, GS25, and
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Yeah, lots of
7-Eleven.
things are there, but But here in KK, what is different is that what they have is kind of different. In Korea, they just have lots of food, but here you can just get anything you want. I think, just a normal market, you can see lots of things, not just food. You can even get the peanuts, and you can even get some things you need, like shampoo or those things, easily. Here.
Do you know ramyeon?
Yes. This one is spicy one.
Mi goreng. I think mi goreng is the same thing we
What is
ate.
Mi
goreng.
What is mi goreng?
The company, I think this is a company name, or I saw it a lot before.
Where?
In Korea, even in Korea.
Mi go.
Mi goreng. You
I
don't
don't
know?
know about
But this is a lemon, but they just put a cup on top, so then we can eat it.
This is spicy one.
Put what on top?
Even down here, there's lemon, so we
Yeah.
can put hot water and then mix it, and we can wait.
Maggi, peanuts, what? Made of Maggi or what? Do we have to test this?
But it's
You
spicy.
don't know this is
You
spicy?
say it's spicy or you think?
No, they
You get
don't.
picture. Yeah.
It's spicy. It's in this.
They even here. They put the, I think, pepper.
Yeah, but there's the
pepper.
other lemons here.
So we check if they put if it's spicy, that's spicy. Let's try the lemon here.
Yeah, but in there,
Fine.
there's the other lemons.
Is it only the lemon they have here?
No, there's more in there. I think we
Roasted chicken flavor, but they don't write down about the spicy. But I think it's going to be spicy. Oh, here. I don't understand it, but the picture is here like this, so it could be the spicy one.
Get this, let's try one.
And then for tomorrow we need a ramen in the morning, I think.
Yeah, in there I see more lemons.
Where?
They even sell rice here. They even sell.
Yeah.
But this long one. Oh, the long one, my
Let me see what kind
favorite.
of rice is this.
In this side, I think I see more color.
Because the rice is very cheap, 24.
24.
Yeah.
Grape.
Grape juice.
Grape juice.
And here, there's this kind of one. I think there's
Ah,
in
look
Korea.
at this kind of ramyeon here. Which one is this?
Oh, wow. I think there's in Korea before. Similar
I
one.
think this mi goreng. Mi goreng is like a kind of name, just like people call ramyeon in Korea. This can be a kind of name for their own ramyeon. Don't you think so?
I saw this one. This is the
Inbomi. This one is inbomi.
This one I saw Daddy had buy this one, cook it ramen and eat it.
Not this particular one. Indomie. Call it indomie, but they have their own name.
This is the spicy one.
But we cannot put this one at home.
This one I have chicken. This one I have chicken inside it. This one I have chicken there. Chicken flavor.
Oh, this is the beyond, right?
Okay, this is not ramyeon. This is not ramyeon. This is not ramyeon.
This called kuksu, right?
Yeah, noodle.
Noodle.
This one even have bread inside, Maggi and the.
Toast bread.
Even here, you can see lots of sauce in here.
Lot of what?
Sauce.
Sauce like what?
Thai sauce. I think it is chili sauce. But this one is oyster, I think.
Sauce, man, sweet sauce.
Yeah, beans.
Beans.
No, it's not beans. Beans.
What is this?
I don't know the name. Mustard seed.
Mustard seed. This one.
Yeah. Basil seed.
This mustard seed.
Parsley seed. This is cinnamon. This is cinnamon. For the taste and for the flavor, put it.
So they have this in Korea.
Yeah, but we do sell like this. It's difficult to get it. This is just kind of convenience store. Convenience store, we don't get these things.
Cinnamon.
Then your mom also looking for this one.
Using for cook cinnamon.
Green ramen.
What? Oh, Indomie.
Yeah, right?
Yes, Indomie. But which one? This one is
Green
green.
color.
This yellow.
No, it's really yummy, this one. I ate this one.
But it feels really salty. Since it's green color, green is orange. If we
Why the color is green?
For you.
It's Indomie and they still put me go and
Yeah. Oh my god.
what?
What is that?
Oh, there's cookie and jelly.
Ah, they have
candy.
Korean one.
We have candid. But I never saw that in Korean.
Korean company maybe can sell it, but or they just put the Korean
What is this?
letter.
What's
곤약
that?
jelly.
Jelly?
곤약, yeah, jelly.
They just write the Korean name
Oh,
on it.
but I think this is going to be yummy. I think, or I don't know.
See,
This is not the Korean company. They even separate a lot here.
this bread.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of bread is that bread.
This one looks okay.
Sounds like meat.
Yeah. It's kind of a more healthy. This is the one with kind of same thing is in Korea. You can see lots of the kind of sandwiches and the kind of rice. We got in Korea a lot. They sell a lot in the convenience store. Let's choose the snack. And the ramen. We're going to choose the ramen more.
Yeah. Oh, mommy, here's this ramen.
This is Korean ramyeon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the one on top.
No.
Oh, this one is
Korean ramen. Yeah. Korean ramen.
It's not Korean like the right
Yes.
right there.
Samyang company, they sell it in Korea. This is very famous one.
Can I do?
But they sell it in here.
Why don't we buy it? We choose these two ramen. I don't know what it is, but hot cup. There right there. See? It's a hamburger like this. Why do they put the hamburger on the menu? Why don't they just put it on the McDonald's? So they're selling the hamburger like this.
You see rice? This is cooked rice.
Yeah.
This is rice.
Usually just people
And
cook
then
it.
this place
Is it not this thing they used to eat in Korea?
dim sum, kind of dim sum, I think.
This what they call it?
mandu.
Is it mandul or what? Not mandul. This thing.
This is yours.
This one.
Ah, you cooked up, I think. Cooked up.
Yeah, bread.
It's bread. Inside there's even.
Here the price is really cheap. Even the water is just like 1.3 ringgit, which means 300 won in Korea. And then if the dollars, $1 you can buy 4 water here.
In Korea, this water is how much?
Like $1.
$1. And
Yeah.
here it's like how much? Less
300.
than $1. Less than $1.
Yes, less than $1, much less than $1, like 400 won.
Like 400 won.
Yeah, in Korea you must pay like 1,000 won, but here
For this.
400 won. So it's very cheap here. Even the big one is just 2.5.
So that means things are very
Very
cheap.
cheap.
Very, very cheap here in
Yes.
Malaysia.
But
To compare with Korea.
yes, but when I see the Korean product, this place is really expensive here.
It's expensive here.
Yes, Korean product. Korean ramen, these Korean snacks are really expensive, but their products are really cheap here.
I don't know why. It's different. Very different.
But they sell here too. But
Anything there.
yeah, but I think the price is kind of high. What do you think?
Anything there. $9. Nine.
Ringgit.
This 9 ringgit in Korea is how much?
3,000 won.
3,000 won.
Yeah.
Get one Guinness. That's a Guinness style. There's something I saw yesterday and I didn't see it again today. If I see it, I would like to take it. I don't know. Anyway, Go.
Wait, I never see this on Korea. I want this one.
You want that one?
Okay, I want to try. There's no this kind of one. It looks like kind of pepper.
Okay, go. Let's go. I'm
Daddy
exhausted.
say okay. What's this? Is a cookie? What you? Muffin.
Yeah, I want to try now.
Yeah, muffin.
Ramen is for tomorrow. I can
Then
put
we
it
can
here.
try the ramen tomorrow.
Yeah.
Food and what is not the food, I don't know. This is not the food. It's gonna be the food.
You want me to help you?
Yes. This is the food one.
Oh.
See? Looks yummy. This one is this one is a chicken.
I cannot do it, this one.
Alright.
I can try now.
What is it? But I can't catch up more with strength.
Okay, you open it. But be careful.
Whatever there is.
You don't know what it is, right?
Yes.
You just want to have it.
Ooh.
Right there.
Sticker. 2 sticker. For you two.
I think this is candy.
Candy?
Yeah, it's not a snack. It's not a chocolate, it's a candy. So
Yeah.
open the candy and you keep it here.
And eat. Yum. Okay, I think there's not much difference between Malaysian convenience store and Korean convenience store. But the Malaysian store seems more bigger and has more stuff, which makes it look more like a Korean mart than just a convenience store. Unfortunately for me now, we have to wait until tomorrow morning to have a taste of Malaysian ramyeon. See you guys tomorrow morning. It's late here now. Now open it inside.
What is inside?
Hot cup.
Soup.
Is it the same thing? Even they have
It's spoon.
Spoon is here. And the fork is here.
they have fork.
Fork?
They have fork inside.
You don't have a fork.
That's interesting.
The other one open it. The other one too. Yeah. Charles, you are not supposed to open all of them. You need to cover like this. Open half. Or anyway, put it here.
Open that one and put it inside. That's what it's mean.
What?
Not eating it.
You need to first, so they let me put the water. You put this on.
Okay, so we are going to try, or we are trying this ramyeon from Malaysia. We bought it last night after we came back from the wind tower, and today we went swimming. We went swimming this morning.
Let's try this. This tastes a little bit spicy, but because you it's almost.
So now it's my turn to eat.
That is good.
Mix it.
If you don't mix it for too long.
It's going to be spicy, I think. I want to see.
Have it taste will be good. So much that it tastes really nice.
Onion, can you give me the water there?
This one is lower.
This cup? Tasty. I will
Need to water.
You go get the small one and finish this.
Spicy?
Spicy?
Very spicy.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Me too.
Very spicy.
If it's that is spicy, to me it is going to be very spicy. You know, I'm going to drink all the water.
Oh, even the smell is spicy.
But it tastes good.
I taste it.
Tastes good, but it's spicy.
It tastes good. I like the taste of this lamb. More like what we have our kind of Indomie noodles back home in Nigeria. It tastes good,
But spicy.
but spicy.
Too much spicy.
The mama eating.
Too dry. Too much.
So why do you
As-
choose that one?
More different taste from Korean,
Yeah.
from Korean ramyeon. This one has a very different taste, and I like this taste more. It's spicy, real spicy.
Next time buy same thing but not spicy one.
So we are having a taste of the Malaysian snacks.
You are having taste of Malaysian llama. It's not snack.
Ramyeon, not snacks.
Llama is food.
Ramyeon is good.
Yeah. I think you are not supposed to put lots of the spice there, but we put all, right?
This cup, this is plastic, I think.
Yeah, cup is different. In Korea, we use normal styrofoam, but this cup is more like plastic.
Now I get why they make only this one with purple. This one tastes like legit purple. Hot slime. Why would you is purple? Why is red? I think that means spicy.
Keep on. Let me taste your one.
Very spicy.
This one is
It's
different.
This one is tempting.
it's a different thing. But this one, the K-A-R-I, but that one is different.
This one is more like Korean, this one, the soup is different.
Alright. More spicy.
need water. We down to try to taste it. More like Korean.
You have to taste a little.
Huh?
So let me taste it.
Oh, you want to try the spicy one?
And made it too.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and look out for our last video on exploring Malaysia. Tomorrow is our last day in Malaysia. I want to stay more in Malaysia. Aww.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.